Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to transfer your WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android, whatever you need to do. Now this software is known as Wondershare Mobile Trans WhatsApp Transfer Tool, and it's actually free to try. I'm going to drop all the links down below. And on top of that, if you're looking for the full functionality, I do want to let you know that Wondershare is having some amazing Black Friday / Cyber Monday deals. You are getting flat 35% off from all their products. For example, the WhatsApp transfer tool I'm going to show you guys how to use in a second is only $19.47 after 35% off. Links are going to be down below. Anyway, let's dive in and show you how to get this thing done. Alright, so obviously the first step is to download and install Wondershare Mobile Trans. Once you do that, you're going to see this on your desktop. You click the link, the shortcut, and it's going to launch the main control center of the software, as you can see. Now when you launch it for the first time, you are going to see a bunch of modules. This thing can do much more than just WhatsApp transfer, but we are going to be focusing on this module here, the first one. So this is the WhatsApp transfer tool. So all you do is click on transfer. That's going to go into the transfer menu, and here's all the options that we have. We have transfer WhatsApp messages from one phone to the other. You can also back up WhatsApp messages, maybe to a PC or a Mac, and then you can restore them. So let's use the transfer WhatsApp messages to transfer from iPhone to Android. So I'm going to click on this module here. So the first thing you want to do is you want to connect a source phone, which could be Android in this example. And then you want to go over to destination and connect a destination phone. You are going to connect these phones to your computer via the USB ports. Alright, so once both of the phones are connected to your computer via the USB cables, you'll see connected and connected verification at the bottom of these screens. And then you can see all the data that's going to be transferred over, and all you want to do is click start right over here. Now, if you already have an existing WhatsApp account on your iPhone, you're going to get a question. Do you want to keep the existing WhatsApp data on the iPhone, or do you just want to transfer everything from one phone to the other? You can choose whichever option is more convenient. So let's just click no. I'm going to tap on next. And as you can see, the process is going to start. It says it's restoring your iPhone, meaning it's transferring everything over from the Android to the iPhone. Gives you a nice progress bar right over here so you can follow along exactly what's happening. Okay, so I'm going to cancel this. I don't need to do it right now. I just want to demonstrate how it works. So let's just cancel this. But once the whole thing gets transferred over, you are going to get this success message. Now I do want to mention something very important. With the latest version of Wondershare, which is version 1.5, you are able to transfer WhatsApp data from a specific phone line. So if you have two phone lines on your smartphone, you can choose whichever WhatsApp data for whatever phone number you want to specifically transfer over from one phone to the other. This is common in countries that use dual SIM card smartphones. But that's it. That's how easy it is. And of course, remember to go to their website. The links are down below. Special offers for Black Friday and of course, Cyber Monday. And if you want the full versions, you can get them 35% off, no problem. Remember, you can download the tool and try it for free. But if you want full functionality, then you want to purchase the full version. And again, with this kind of discounts, it's a steal. Alright, so if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. And for now, guys, have a fantastic day, alright?